They put some nice personal touch like sending you a handwritten note, which I appreciate, and then you get some goodies like stickers. There's a nice fish on my first Pescador on the fly rod. Pretty nice brown trout. I'm going to release this. There you go. So today I'm going to do an unboxing, or I should say re-unboxing Pescador on the fly. So I recently bought this gear. It's a packable travel kind of rod that comes with a reel and then the rod and then all of the good things. Okay, so this is what we have. Rod, nice little rod holder. So the rod has 6 pieces and you can carry easily in your backpack. And good thing about this rod I found is it comes with additional rod tip. So if you see, it has 7 pieces, but there are 2 tip section. So if you break one, you'll get additional one at no cost and you continue fishing. And then here it is, El Jefe, the reel. They were nice enough to include some flies as well, woolly buggers and zebra mees and prince nymph and all of that good thing that I'll be utilizing. And there are some dry flies as well. Over here in this package, what's included is 3 tippet, 3X, 4X and 5X, which is super nice. That you don't have to worry. Then you have a tippet holder, leader, tapered leader. There's 9-foot 5X. Then there's 9-foot 3X. One thing I missed out was 9-foot 4X. I did get a packet, but it's empty. So yeah, quality control wise or checking double, maybe I didn't get lucky this time. Hopefully you get all those 3 tapered leader. And then there is a nice fly box. You are provided with fly as well as a fly box, which is nice. So I bought this rod after seeing the advertisement in Trout Unlimited magazine. So what I did was, if you can see, I got this El Jefe complete packable fry rod combo. I had 3 4-weight El Jefe, and then the reel that comes with it. I didn't add any additional things like a backpack or a net. I already have a net, but there was a nice deal going on where you get a stimulus package for free, which is the things that I have here. So that was nice. So this is what I ordered recently. Came with a nice thank you note. I like when the thank you notes are handwritten, and it's more personal and makes me a little bit happy. And then we also have this sticker, looks nice. So that's that. And then lastly, we have this small pouch where you can put all of your stuff for the day and fish. In the stimulus package you also get a plier and then cutter, I think for your tippet. So that's nice. I will use all of these and fish few hours and hopefully I catch something. It's a good setup. So far I like it. Let's see how it performs in the water. And thank you for checking this video. I will show you my adventure and how I perform with Pescador on the fly El Jefe 9-foot. Come on, fishy, fishy! Come to Papa. Oh, they're jumping. Come on, don't go. Okay, I am below you now. So it should be coming this way, man. Oh, it's a big rainbow. I'm using 5X, so hopefully it does not break. But to put some side pressure. Yeah, the fish here are tough. Come on, I need to tire him out so I can get him shallow. But he does not want. Come on. Come on, tire out, man. That's a big fish. Yep. Look at this. It's a Cheeseman fish. And it's a really nice one. Took the emerger and took me around for a ride. And it is a unit. I mean, for me, I think it's one of my personal best. I fought this for quite some time, and I can show you how big this is because here's my hand, and I can barely fit my hand around it. Okay, so I will release this guy. Nice fish. Come on, come this way. No luck in this mop fly, but it's getting super hot. So I'm gonna take off my jacket and then move spot. Wish me luck. To the wind earlier, so I would like to hide behind this bush and then throw. Let's see. The fish will take it this way. Fly. I was stalking this fish and I saw him jumping and getting dries
So I put it right there where he was, and he came. Nice. Come on, brown trout. Okay, nice one. It's too hot, so let's not give him torture and take him out.
Stop recording.